How to create a TikTok shop for dropshipping. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about TikTok shop and how you are going to be creating it easily for your dropshipping ventures. So, to start things off with your TikTok shop, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come over to shoptiktok.com, which we are on right now. Now, once you're on shoptiktok.com, what's going to happen from here is that you're going to get a few options to work with. So, what are those few options? First of all, you have all these things up here: sellers, creators, and partners. And then there's also an affiliate option that you can't see over here, but yeah, that's also an accessible option. So, what you're going to want to do from here is it's going to tell you TikTok shop, create joy and sell more. Let your customers discover and buy your products the fun way. So we're going to scroll down here. It says shopping powered by TikTok. TikTok shop is paving an entirely new way for brands to authentically connect with creators and communities to grow their business and drive meaningful shopping moments. Then it gives you your discovery. Entertainment meets commerce through authentic and relatable shopping content that sparks inspiration leading to purchase. Then you have trusted creators, where creators show up differently on TikTok, bringing a fresh take on shopping by helping brands build trust and influence through authentic content. You have engaging communities. By TikTok communities drive discovery and influence culture. Brands can build lasting relationships with users by tapping into these existing communities. And you have easy and safe shopping, which is basically revolutionizing the shopping journey from the For You page to a safe and secure checkout, order management, and support all within the app. You also have scalable ecosystems where you can support for your business no matter the size, from logistics to post sale management, and you'll find the tools that you need to grow. So, yeah, that's what TikTok Shop provides: the three native ways to shop. There's live shopping, where you can shop directly from a live by tapping the pinned products or browsing the shopping basket icon. You have shoppable videos, where you can shop directly from a shoppable in-feed video by tapping the product link in the basket icon. And then there's product showcases, where you can shop directly from a brand or creator account. So it gives you a pretty general and nice output to how these things work. And moving on, it brings you to this section: TikTok Shop for You. Here it says, I am a seller, I am a creator, I'm a partner, and I am an affiliate. So, what option do you want to go with? Now, let me walk you through what all of this is. In easier words, a seller is a person who is selling products and marketing it on TikTok, basically. So let's say I have an online store and I'm taking those products off of that online store and I'm selling them, showcasing them on TikTok. Then there's the creator. A creator is someone who is solely selling it on TikTok, basically. So, an influencer or a beauty expert or beauty guru is creating a video and they're showcasing their products. Like, let's say this person showcasing some, I'm pretty sure, cosmetic products, and he is showcasing them on himself. He's showing them how to use it and he's showing the live, results of it. So, pretty simple to get your head around that. Then there's the partner. This is where TikTok Shop enables partners to facilitate a range of services for sellers and creators to help them grow on the platform. It gives you new leads and collaborations, having the opportunity to collaborate with new brands, creators by tipping into TikTok audiences. Training and development is given to dedicated e commerce and platform trainings, and you get rewards, incentives, and great commission by unlocking your earning potential. Then we move on to affiliate. This is the big boy of the whole thing, because the affiliate is where you get TikTok Shop's affiliate program, which gives creators a new exciting opportunity to monetize their content, creativity, and influence by collaborating with sellers on TikTok. So obviously, to create a TikTok shop, you are going to want to make sure which shop you want to go in. Now, if you are doing this in the case of drop shipping, then the seller shop makes the most sense. So to start things off, you're simply going to click on Learn More, and once you click on Learn More, it's going to take you to the Sellers Central. And as you come to Seller Central, it takes you to the TikTok shop over here. So here it says, Welcome to TikTok shop. Now, in the Welcome to TikTok shop section, what you are going to want to be doing is it gives you three regions. So you have Asian seller, the European seller, and the North American seller. So the Asian seller is your basic, Asian regions, global selling, Indonesian, Malaysian, Thailand, Vietnamese, Philippines, and Singapore. Then there's European seller, which is obviously United Kingdom seller, and then there's the North American seller, which is the United States seller. So that's pretty much the idea that you need to get when it comes to talking about this. So once you get the whole concept of all of this, what we are going to want to do from there is choose our seller central. So let's say in this case, I'm just going to go with the United States seller. And once you come over to the United States seller, what you're going to want to do from there is just wait for things to load up. Now, a few things that you are going to want to make sure that you're going to have is, first of all, a United States phone number. If you don't have that, you'll at least need to have your social security number. And if you don't have that, then pretty much do not create an account with the United States Central, because you can't create an account with the United States Central if you go with that. So I was already logged in with an account, so I'm going to log out with this one. And I'm going to log in with a new one. So I'm just going to leave the site. Here it brings me to the register section. So I'm going to go ahead into the United States site as I did before. It's going to load me into the United States shop. And here we go. So here it says sign up now with TikTok shop, which is what I'm going to do. So here we're going to go ahead and enter the email that we want to create this account with. So I'm going to go ahead and add the email. There we go. Click on sign up now. Now, confirm United States as your selling market. And if you're good with that, you are going to come here. Now, once you're over here, they're going to ask you to compare two shapes with the same numbers and all. But once you do this, if your account already exists, you can simply go ahead and change your email address as well. I forgot that I already had created an account with this email. So I'm going to scrap this email, add another email that you want to create a shop with. And once you've created a shop with that, you're pretty much good and set to go. So just going to add that over here, click on confirm. Obviously, choose the verification methods. And once you verified yourself, you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see, it takes us into the loading and onboarding process. It sends us a verification code, which is pretty easily to access. So mine is 963835. And then we're going to verify ourselves. Then you're going to make sure to enter a password, a good, strong password for yourself. Confirm the password real quick. And once you confirm that, simply click on continue. And once you click on continue, you're pretty much set to go from there. So you verified yourself, you set it up your account, and yeah, you're pretty much good to go from there. So that is how you are going to be creating a TikTok shop for yourself. So you can just start selling from here, and that's pretty much about it. So if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.